Module 6. Handling conflict in a smart way. Conflict happens in life. The goal is not to avoid it, but to handle it well. Poor ways to handle conflict are shouting, ignoring, and even fighting, but conflicts can be managed better in ways that you can. Stay calm, speak clearly, listen to the other person, and look for a solution. Use this sentence: I feel dash when dash happens. Example: I feel upset when I'm ignored. Ask yourself, how do I usually react when I'm angry? Do this exercise. Think of a recent conflict. Rewrite what you could have said using calm words. Module 7. Belonging versus being yourself. Everyone wants to belong, that is normal. But sometimes people change themselves just to fit in. This can lead to feeling fake, losing confidence, and making wrong choices. True confidence is being accepted for who you really are. The right people will accept the real you. Ask yourself, have I ever changed myself just to fit in? Do this right. 3 things that make you unique. 1 situation where you felt pressure to change. What would you do differently next time? Module 8. Building confidence in social situations. Confidence grows with practice. Simple ways to improve: make eye contact, smile when greeting people, speak clearly, practice small conversations. You don't need to be loud to be confident. You just need to be comfortable being yourself. Ask yourself, when do I feel most confident around people? Do this exercise. Start a short conversation with someone new. Say hello. Ask a simple question. Listen carefully. Example: Hi, how was your day? Understanding people is a skill you build over time. The more you practice, the stronger and more confident you will become. And that's how we conclude this course. Congratulations! You may now get your certificate. If you have any question, write it on the comment section. Visit the Coach and Counselor Hub on your Skulearn.com dashboard to access independent coaches and counselors. Also check the Skulearn digital store to get these books for further studies. Remember to give us a review on Google. Bye for now, or